Hello students, today we are going to learn examples to solve examples in practice set 2.2. Now first example is, in the figure y is equal to 108 degree and x is equal to 71 degree. X is equal to 71 degree are the lines M and N parallel. Justify. Now we have given figure. This is line M. Line N. This is its transversal. N. We have given this angle is x, this angle is of 1. Now in the figure, y is equal to 108 degree and x is equal to 71 degree. Are the lines we have to show whether these lines are parallel or not. Now from figure line L is the transversal of line M and N, and angle X and angle Y are interior angle of one side. Therefore, taking addition of these two, angle X plus angle Y is equal to, now if this addition is 180 degree, then these two lines are parallel. If it is not 180 degree, then these two lines are not parallel. Now from figure, line N is a transversal of lines M and N. Angle X and angle Y are interior angles of one side. Now, angle X plus angle Y is equal to, now put value of angle X. Angle X is 108 degree plus angle X is 71. X is 71 plus Y is 108. Therefore, angle X plus angle Y is equal to addition of this 179. Now sum of these two angles is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle X plus angle Y is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, these two angles are not parallel to each other. Therefore, line M is not parallel. This is sign of parallel. This is not parallel to line N. This is the answer. Now write down question number 2. Question number 2. In the figure, if angle A congruent to angle B, then prove that line L parallel to line M. Line L parallel to line M. Now for this, draw the figure. Draw two lines. This is its transversal. Lines are L, M, and this line is N. We have given this angle is A and this angle is of B. Now let us see here in the figure, if angle A congruent to angle B, we have given these two angles are congruent, then prove that line L parallel to line M. We have to prove this. Now for this, first we write line L is the transversal of line L and M. We consider this angle as C. Therefore, angle A congruent to angle C, vertically opposite angles. And from figure, angle C, these two are congruent, therefore these two angles are congruent. And these two angles are corresponding angles, therefore by corresponding angles test, line L parallel to line M. Now write down line N from figure. Line N is a transversal of lines L and M. Line N is a transversal of line L and M. Now consider, let angle A consider angle C such that angle A congruent to angle C. Write down vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. This is number 1. But we have given angle A congruent to angle B. But angle A congruent to angle B, this is given. This is number 2. From 1 and 2, angle A congruent to angle B, angle C congruent to angle B. Therefore, from 1 and 2, angle C congruent to angle B. A congruent to C, A congruent to B. Therefore, angle C congruent to angle B. These two angles are congruent, but these angles are corresponding angles. These angles are pair of corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angles. Therefore, by corresponding angles test, these two triangles are corresponding angles test. These corresponding angles are congruent, therefore these two lines are parallel. Line L parallel to line M. This is its solution. Now question number 3. Question number 3. In the figure, if angle A congruent to angle B, and angle X congruent to angle Y, then prove that line L parallel to line M. For this, draw the figure. We have given this line K is the transversals of line L, M, N. We have given angle A, angle B. Angle X, we have given this angle X, this angle Y. Angle X, this angle Y. Now let us see how we can solve this. In the figure, if angle A congruent to angle B, these two are congruent. Now, line K is the transversal of line L and M, and angle A congruent to angle B. These are corresponding angles, and if corresponding angles are congruent, therefore this by corresponding angle test, these two lines are parallel. This is equation number 1. Also, angle x congruent to angle y we have given. These are alternate angles. Therefore, by alternate angle test, alternate angles are congruent. Therefore, these two lines are parallel. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we can prove this line L parallel to line L. Write down. From figure, line K is the transversal of lines L and M. And angle A congruent to angle B given. And we have given angle A congruent to angle B. These are corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. And if corresponding angles are congruent, therefore by corresponding angles test, line L parallel to line M. Therefore by corresponding angles test, line L parallel to line M. This is number 1. And angle X congruent to, and also, and from figure, angle X we have given angle X congruent to angle Y given. Angle X congruent to angle Y. Now these are alternate angles. These are alternate angles. Therefore, by alternate angles test, these two lines are parallel. Line M parallel to line N. This is number 2. Now from 1 and 2, if line L parallel to line M parallel to line N from 2, therefore first line, if first parallel to second parallel to third, then first parallel to third. Therefore from 1 and 2, line L parallel to line N. Therefore from 1 and 2, line L parallel to line N. This is solution. Thank you.